we are going to cook a crab today. So, ready tayo sa Asian store. Titingnan ko may crab. Let's go here to their seafood section. Have live. Guys, ang laki na, ang laki na. Wala bang baby? Okay guys, mas mura to. $6.99 per pound. At saka to. Okay, let's get it. Look. Hindi ko alam. Ay, kuya. Ito lumalaban. Ayaw niya magpakuha. Guys, ito ayaw niya magpakuha. Guys, ayan na sila. 5 na yan. Yung mga tilapia, oh. Taray, Canadian na tilapia. Okay, papatimbang na natin kung magkano. So guys, sa 5 piraso, $9.44 on 400 pesos. Okay, next agenda, garlic at saka butter. Yung mahal ng butter, butter. May garlic. Okay guys, may garlic na tayo. Yan. O syempre, di sa mga kaalis dyan, alam niyo naman crab mentality dito sa Canada. Perfect kayo dyan. Oh! So guys, we're gonna bake too. Okay. There you go. Guys, this is the time na magka-carve na tayo. Super excited na akong gawin to, bebs. Guys, ito na yung mga tools natin for carving. Guys, ngayon ako nakakita ng pumpkin seed sa loob niya mismo. First time ko lang magka-carve eh. Dahil first time ko gagawa, this is gonna be my inspo. Not show me out. This will be the look and let's see kung ma-achieve natin yan. It's actually fun. Kunting na lang. Look at that. Tine! Hala! Nasira yung ngipin sa gitna. You only have 1, 2. Yung 2 ngipin niya, oh. So we're gonna put it there now. Okay. At that. Guys, ito na yung ating pumpkin. And dito, merong sai. And at the back, it's my name there.